Good morning, friends. My name is Shivraj Manmohan Chopde. I am studying in Rashtramata Jizau Defence Academy and as well as 11th as well as NDA. So my today's topic is which is very important, and that is save the environment. First of all, we should know what is meant by an environment. Environment is the habitat where natural resources provide shelter, clothes, food, oxygen and many more. But the today's generation is not getting aware through environment because they are trying to misbehave with the environment, they are trying to destroy the environment and they are trying to make environment dirty. So we should create some awareness regarding environment. There are many reasons why environment is getting destroyed, such as global warming, pollution, population, deforestation and many erosion of soil and many more. This phenomenon causes very dark humor regarding environment. So there are many ways we can prevent them. First of all, we should not spread any garbage on the roads, on the cities, in the malls and many such as public places, because if we create some dust or waste, we throw any garbage, it can create environmental disease. So we should be aware that we should always throw waste in the dustbins. Second one, avoid using plastics because they don't react with water, they don't react with air, they don't react with land, and due to this they cause many such a problem such as junk which can create outside the drainage and all. So we should stop using plastic and start to use like cotton bags and avoid polythene bags. And the third one is many industries go greedy and throw their waste in the air and the water, such as they release harmful gases in the air which can pollute the air. And many factories such as near to the river or any ocean, they throw all the sewage dust through a river or any sea. It can create water pollution and may harm aquatic animals as well as the drinking water also. So we should always get awareness about our environment, because environment is the very essential thing and that is very important for our living, because it is very important in our life, because without him we cannot live in the earth, and that is the main thing which we have to live. So my kindly request is, please stop being greedy through our environment and start to prevent the diseases which are against environment and try to save the environment. We should go green and clean, which is the very important thing for environment, and it can look very beautiful India. As we know, our aim is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.